This is the process of packing through high-level packing form, which provides complete safety to the parts of the machine from inside. This is set layer-wise so that the machine does not get any kind of damage. This is done by machine fitting the tire inside the ring using a high-pressure machine. This machine is used to give the shape of round shaft to any thin iron slide very easily. The process of machine stitching of shirt buttons at a high level. While high-pressure water is used for cleaning cars, and high-pressure water cleaning is common for removing dirt and grime from vehicles. The process is bale wrapping or silage wrapping, where freshly cut grass or hay is compressed into a cylindrical bale by a machine called a baler and then tightly wrapped in plastic film. This method preserves the grass or hay for later use. The process of moving a tree from one location to another is called tree transplanting. It involves carefully digging up a tree, preserving its root ball, and replanting it in a new location. This can be done for various reasons, including landscaping, conservation, or to save trees from construction. The egg production process in a factory setting typically involves hen rearing, egg laying, collection, cleaning, inspection, grading, and packaging, with automation playing a significant role in maintaining hygiene and efficiency. This machine works on an automated process which cuts the wood into small pieces. This is a recycling process in which old iron boxes are cut and given a straight new shape, which is done by this machine, and this is a very good and beneficial process. This artwork is done on clothes with the help of a machine, in which a design is created by stitching work like embroidery and pearls. This machine is used to draw water. It is very useful when there is a pit filled with water. This is a grass cutter machine, which roasts the grass and converts it into a powder. It is an electric wire cutting machine that helps in removing the copper wire from the rubber layer by cutting it in the middle. If you like our video, don't forget to subscribe and like and share it. Your one like inspires us to make more such good videos. This is a modern technique the artist creates using his mind and creates designs that we have never seen before. The artist uses his skills to create such interesting designs which seem quite impossible to see, but after seeing them, the eyes feel very satisfied. This is a technique used for laying tiles on walls and on floors, in which the artist takes measurements carefully to fit the tiles properly in the corner. After After taking the correct measurements, the artist cuts the tiles very carefully, and later lays the tiles on the floor when the measurements are correct. This work is not an easy task. It is necessary to have a lot of experience to do this work, which comes by doing the work. This work can only be done by a person who has a lot of experience in doing this work. That is why this work is being done so quickly and well.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.
This machine is mostly used for filtering fishes. This pressurized machine is mostly used to pack pillows into plastic bags. This machine is used for bending hard things. This machine is used to cut wood into the same size. This machine is used in making color boxes. This machine is used to cut fruits uniformly. This machine is used to carry goods to the roof. This machine is used to apply color box stickers. This machine is used to make pen refills. This machine is used to shape iron plates. Cut iron pipe. This machine is used to give shape to bread. give shine to the tank. This machine is used to apply color on walls. Cutting iron pipes. This machine is used for embroidery. This machine is used to give shape to large trees. This machine is used for packing bosses. This machine is used for making small-sized rings of iron pipe. This machine is used to shape wooden plates.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.